Introducing the future of car repair and maintenance. Integrity Mobile Mechanic Services. With our team of expert mechanics and technicians, you can get your car fixed wherever you are, whenever you need it. Now picture this. You're on your way to an important meeting or a family vacation and your car suddenly breaks down. Instead of calling a tow truck and waiting for hours, you can call Integrity Mobile Mechanic Services. Our team will come to you and fix your car right on the spot. But that's not all. We also offer home services. If your car won't start in the morning or if you simply don't have time to take it to the workshop, we will come to your house and take care of everything from oil changes to brake repairs. We've got you covered. Our mechanics are certified and experienced, and we use only the best quality parts and tools. And the best part is, our services are affordable and convenient. No more wasting time and money at the dealer shop or mechanic shop. At Integrity Mobile Mechanic Services, we believe that repair and maintenance should be stress-free and easy. So why wait? Call us today or message us on 081-059-63081. I repeat, 081-059-63081 and experience the future of car repair and maintenance. Integrity Mobile Mechanic Services, the future of car repair and maintenance at your fingertips.